Alright, what up you guys? Regalper223 here. I am recording this video on my webcam because my 3DS, as you can see, is about to die because the battery kind of sucks in this thing. But yeah, I'm making this video because I promised a friend of mine I would post my PalPad code up. So I was thinking, why not just make a video so everyone can see it. So my PalPad code, as you're about to find out right here. Go down there. Okay, punches right. Okay, my PalPad code is 318153785236. If you are blind and you cannot just see that because it looks better, because I made a video like this in the past and it looked really blurry, but this one looks better. So yeah, I'm gonna type it in the description if you did not understand this, which you really should. But yeah, you guys, Regalper223 signing out, and looking forward to some Wi-Fi battles.